So Monday around noon, Mount Pleasant had some snow. Here we're seeing 30 inches of snow from Mount Pleasant to Clare, and to the southeast of us in Greenville, Howard City experienced some more of that ice, causing power outages. Back to the snow that we had on Monday, CMU closed early around 3, and that continued into Tuesday with having a delay until 11. With those power outages caused by the ice storm, Greenville and Howard City are still out of power in some of those areas. With that, more than 20,000 customers were affected from the power outages by the ice storm. So this storm definitely affected a lot of Michigan, snow to the northern half of Michigan and ice to the southern part. Now passing it back to Joseph.
Well, welcome back everyone. I'm your forecaster, Cole Engel. Want to start off here with the campus cam. As you can see, we have some high clouds that have moved in that have replaced the sunny skies we had earlier today. This is all associated with a snowstorm that we have up going in the UP in the northern Wisconsin area. But current conditions, we have a temperature of 39 degrees along with a very light wind southeast at 2 miles an hour with wind gusts up to 10 miles an hour. Looking at your current temperatures, you can see here along the Mount Pleasant area, we're seeing temperatures around the mid-30s. However, not too far south from here, and you see in the Kalamazoo and Lansing areas, we have temperatures into the 50s, and those increase as you continue going south. Looking at the current alerts, there's that snowstorm I mentioned earlier. You can see it's mostly affecting the UP and northern Wisconsin areas. So the purple means the winter weather advisory. Nothing too much for us. This will come our way, but it will not bring much of anything. As you can see on our sky tracker, this is where the snow is located. Like I said, we got light to moderate snow in the UP and in the northern Wisconsin areas. And as we go to the sky tracker, you can see tomorrow here at 8 a.m. we have a few snow flurries here in the Saginaw and Mount Pleasant area. But as we keep moving on, you can see that here we have a larger snow system coming in the way. You can see that the Lansing, Mount Pleasant, and Grand Rapids areas around Friday afternoon is when we're going to start seeing this larger snow system come in. And as we can go on with the day, you can see that here Friday at 11, widespread snow for much of the state with the exception of the Detroit area where we're going to see warmer temperatures. This is where we're going to see more of a rain or a rain-snow mix and will lead to less snow accumulations for this area. And as we go on to their Saturday afternoon, you can see that we have clearing skies, which should make great once they clear all the snow out of the way for the students that are going to places for spring break to finally go on with their travel plans. And as we go into snowfall, this is just one of the models. The most important thing to look at here is where the general heaviest swath is going to be. You can see it's a pretty good swath between 6 to 12 inches between US 10 and I-94. And going on to Skycast temperatures, you can see temperatures will drop into or around freezing to tomorrow morning. And those temperatures will go up a little bit in Thursday afternoon before they drop to around freezing again around Friday. Looking at your 3-hour planner, temperatures will be dropped tonight and those cloudy skies are going to be sticking around. Back to you, Joseph.
Yes, so looking at our hourly temperatures, Wednesday into Thursday, we can see those temperatures a lot around the low to mid-30s. Thursday evening, we can see it getting up to 37, but as soon as we move into Thursday late evening into Friday early morning, we're going to see that temperature drop. Friday around 5 a.m., 24 degrees. As we move into Friday afternoon, we can see it getting up to 30, still below freezing due to that snow system that is coming through Michigan. As we take a look at our skycast, we can see here Thursday morning around 5 a.m. we're going to get some light snow, but that will move off to the east. As we continue into Thursday afternoon, and as we go into Friday around 11 a.m., we can see just to the south here that snow system making its way up, and around Friday around 7 p.m. we can see that it has made its way covering Michigan. So here in Mount Pleasant we are going to be seeing snow, and that's going to continue into around Saturday morning, but around Saturday at 4 a.m. the snow does go off to the northeast and leaving Michigan clear by Saturday evening. So all that snow talk from Monday and Friday has got me wanting to go on spring break, and I hope everybody's traveling. So Myrtle Beach, we're going to look at a couple of our spring break spots. Beach next week, Monday, high of 64 with a low of 56. That sun will be out. Tuesday, 70 with a low of 61. And we're going to look at Miami Beach too. High of 80 with a low of 72. Tuesday, 79 with a low of 70. And Wednesday, 82 with a low of 74. Now, if you're staying in Michigan, we're going to take a look at the 7-day forecast. We're going to see it warm up next week. But now I'm going to pass it back to Joseph and Lena.